What is up guys, welcome to a brand new video of Absolute Digital. In this video, I will show you how you can see how much time you have spent on YouTube. So let's start this video by launching the YouTube app. When the app is launched, tap on your profile icon on top right corner. Then you will see the option Time Watched. Now tap on Time Watched. And here at the top of the screen, you will see your daily average time you have spent on YouTube. Just beneath that, you will see how much time you have spent on YouTube today. And then on last 7 days. Here you can see that I have spent 6 minutes on last 7 days on YouTube. And that is how you can see how much time you have spent on YouTube. Now I'll give you some additional bonuses. Now scroll down and you will see some tools to manage your time on YouTube. If you want YouTube to remind you for a break, then enable the option Remind Me to take a break. And then set an interval. Then tap Done. If you want YouTube to remind you when it's your bedtime, then enable the option Remind Me when it's bedtime. And now set the time of your bedtime and then tap OK. And if you want to enable the option Autoplay, then tap on Autoplay Next Video. And that is how you can see how much time you have spent on YouTube. So if you find this video helpful, then do drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.